The question is, prove that accounting equation is satisfied in all the following transactions of Suresh. Also prepare a balance sheet. Draw the format of accounting equation of Suresh. Serial number, transactions, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. After reading the question, we find out the following assets and liabilities. It is cash, advance rent, stock, capital, creditors, outstanding salary or outstanding expenses. First one, commenced business with cash 60,000. Cash will be increased by rupees 60,000, capital will be increased by 60,000. Paid rent in advance, cash will come down and advance rent will increase. Paid advance rent, cash will be reduced by 500, advance rent will increase by 500 and plus minus is equal to 0. We will have a new equation. Then third transaction, purchased goods for cash 30,000 and credit 20,000. Third transaction is purchased goods. Cash 30,000 reduce, stock 50,000 increase, and the total here, total stock will increase by 50,000, cash will reduce by 30,000 and creditors will increase by 20,000. We are buying on credit rupees 20,000 and for cash 30,000. Hence total stock coming in is equal to rupees 50,000. LHS is equal to RHS 20,000 each. Then our new equation we have to add. Fourth transaction, sold goods for cash 30,000 costing 20,000. Sold goods for cash, cash will increase by 30,000, costing 20,000, stock will reduce by 20,000. Hence profit will be 10,000. Profit increases capital, it will be added to capital rupees 10,000. New equation will be this. Then fifth one, paid salary 500, salary outstanding being 100. Hence paid salary minus from cash 500 and minus from capital, total expenditure on the head of salary is rupees 600 and our liability on the head of outstanding salary increased by plus 100. Then there will be new equation. Then sixth one, bought a motorcycle for personal use, private use, personal use. Then sixth one, bought a motorcycle, drawings. Drawings means private expenses. Minus from cash rupees 5,000, minus from capital 5,000. It is not for office use. Then cash is reduced by 5,000 and capital is reduced by 5,000. Hence, new equation will be cash rupees 54,000, advance rent rupees 500, stock rupees 30,000, that is capital rupees 64,400, creditors rupees 20,000 and salary outstanding rupees 100. Then we have to draw the balance sheet. We have to write down balance sheet of Suresh as at the date. There is no date. We have liabilities and rupee symbol and assets and rupee symbol is there in this balance sheet. We can start from any side. It is better to start from the asset side. Current assets, cash rupees 54,000, advance rent rupees 500, stock rupees 30,000. Then current liabilities, we have creditors rupees 20,000, salary outstanding rupees 100. Then capital, long term liabilities and capital. Capital is rupees 64,400. We have to total both the sides. It is 84,500 both the sides. This is tallying and this is the final answer.